Here's how to check if your TV is set to RGB range full or limited. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your television. Afterwards, on the settings, go to the picture option, and on the picture option, navigate yourself to the advanced settings option. Afterwards, you'll be redirected on the page where you will see there the brightness, black level, auto dynamic contrast, as well as the dynamic tone mapping. Now, what you need to do is navigate yourself to the brightness option. Now, click on the brightness option that you see on the advanced settings. Once you press on that, you'll be able to see there the video range. So as you can see, the video range you can be accessed to auto, limited, or full. So if you want it full, just go ahead and turn on the toggle button full. If you want it limited, just go ahead and turn on the toggle button to limited. And that is how you check if your TV is set to it.